Suspended Stone Circle 2, created by Australian artist Ken Unsworth at the Art Gallery of NSW in May 2013. The Suspended Stone Circle 2 is one of the suspended or balanced stone series. It's all about to do with suspension or propping and balancing. Kenneth Lowell Unsworth is a sculptor, installation and performance artist who was inspired by performance and installation artist Joseph Beuys, and also artists who use natural materials in their work, which can be called earth art or land art. He is particularly interested in the defiance of gravity. Works of Ken is often labeled as conceptual. Humor is important issue for him. He used materials such as stones, stairs, broken doll, toys on his sculptures. His work reflects his own life stories and links the world to his audience through his works. For this work, he uses stones, which he collects from natural riverbed. Stones transformed by nature in the process. Its beauty comes from nature. At that point, Ken takes them out of that context and puts them in a different context. The exhibition Suspended Stone Circle 2 gathers 103 reverse stones attached by 3 sets of black steel wires, and each stone hangs by 3 wires so that they seemingly hovering. He demonstrated stones, forces, seam, balance and relationship between them with an intuitive way. Black wires seems like not only holding them up but also indicating them as arrows. It's something that weighs 3 or 4 tons hovering in space. Wires suspending the stones create a geometrical drawing in space. Audience receives through their perception and generate a new meanings. It looks so still and quiet in a world that is constantly moving. Suspended stones erases the state of introspection and meditation in viewer.